Hello everybody and welcome to the Canadian Money Talk. Today is August 3rd, 2025, and on August the 1st, on Friday, we had a significant weakness in the stock markets on both sides of the border, so I wanted to explain what happened. So the US July 2025 job numbers came in and there were only 73,000 added, well below the forecast of 100,000 jobs. Unemployment rose to 4.2% from 4.1%, which isn't good news, but it's still very close to full employment of 4%. What was worse was the revisions for the months of May and June numbers. Revisions are quite normal, by the way. So the original estimate for May was 144,000 jobs, and the revised total was only 19,000 jobs added. And for June, it was 147 was the original estimate, and it was only 14,000 jobs that were added. So over 250,000 jobs less than originally reported. So these disappointing jobs numbers caused Trump to fire poor Erica McIntyre, the commissioner of the Bureau of Labor Statistics, since the bad numbers are somehow her fault. And it's not the uncertainty caused by Trump's tariffs that is preventing U.S. companies from hiring people. Sarcasm aside, the revision down in job numbers are correlated perfectly with Trump's Liberation Day in April. That event caused the U.S. Markets to sell off, since a recession would not be good for profits. And speaking of tariffs, on August 1st, the United States officially imposed a 35% tariff on Canadian goods that do not qualify under the Canada-US-Mexico agreement. So this marked a sharp escalation from the previous 25% rate, and it triggered immediate political and economic reactions. Mark Carney called the move disappointing and emphasized that Canadians will be our own best customer. This is likely a continuation of the posturing, bullying, and a negotiation tactic to get Canada to the table and accept a deal with the US. Keep in mind, the US importers are paying the tariffs, not Canada. But it is still looking like it is, or could, slow the economy, which is not good for company profits. To summarize, the tariffs, the related negotiations, and uncertainty are causing all sorts of havoc in the stock market. The U.S. Unemployment is nowhere near a recession, although the tariffs may reintroduce inflation, even if U.S. importers so far are eating most of the tariffs and not passing them on to consumers. Tariffs will eventually be resolved, negotiated, or Trump will be ignored. This is just market noise. Be steadfast.